Three South Sudanese charged in Uganda over alleged casino fraud. According to this report, three South Sudanese nationals have appeared before a court in Kampala. The three have been charged in connection with an alleged fraud case involving 8 million Ugandan shilling. The case was heard at the Buganda Road Chief Magistrate Court. Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. According to the report, the three men are Yoldeng Zande, Shore 830, Abiako Amor David Dako 839, and Ahon Shapa Magok 834. They are accused of obtaining money through alleged fraudulent method at a casino. The case reportedly involved Golden Tripod Casino in Kampala Central Division. The alleged incident is said to have taken place between July 31st and August 8, 2026. According to the prosecution, the three suspects allegedly acted together with another person who has not yet been arrested. The prosecution alleged that the group used fraudulent method during a game involving a roulette machine. The alleged amount involved is 8 million Ugandan shilling. The three suspects appeared before Grade 1 Magistrate Rofine Ashayo. The charges were read and explained to them. However, the three denied the allegation. This is an important part of this story. Being charged does not mean a person has been found guilty. The court must hear the case and consider the evidence. The accused people have the right to defend themselves. The prosecution told the court that investigation had been completed. The prosecution then asked for a date for the matter to move forward. The court later adjourned the case. The next important date mentioned in the report is August 31st, 2026. That date is connected to the hearing of their bail application. The case will therefore continue through the Ugandan legal system. Until the court reaches a final decision, the allegation remains allegation. This is important when reporting criminal cases. News organizations must be careful not to declare people guilty before court make a decision. So what this means for the South Sudanese community? The case has attracted attention because the accused are South Sudanese nationals living or staying in Uganda. Many South Sudanese citizens live in Uganda for different reasons. Some are students, some operate businesses, some work there, others are refugee or migrant. Uganda has the largest South Sudanese community. Most people in that community live normal life and work hard to support themselves and their families. One criminal case should therefore not be used to judge an entire community. The three individuals must be treated according to the law and based on the evidence presented before the court. This case also reminds us about the importance of the legal system. When someone is accused of a crime, the proper place to determine guilt or innocence is the court. The public may hear different stories, social media may spread different claims, people may quickly decide who is right or wrong. But a court must examine the evidence. The accused must have an opportunity to respond. The prosecution must prove its case according to the law. Only then can a proper judgment be made. This principle is important for everyone, regardless of nationality. Well, if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel and this is your first time, I would like you to take the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Thank you for watching and bye bye.